Listen to me, guys. I'm about to tell y'all some shit that nobody else in the world knows, because nobody else in the world just witnessed what I did. Okay? Now, this is absolute truth, and I don't know the full ramifications of what's going on, but what I can tell you is that we are in deep shit. Okay? Now, here's the turn of events that this video is going to pertain to, not just what I'm about to tell you. Okay? So this past 24 hours, the Yellowstone National Park has had over 100 earthquakes, a swarm of earthquakes. Okay, what they're not telling you is that these are man-made earthquakes, and it's been done by the USGS conducting experiments from uh, uh, one of the universities. I don't want to misquote it, uh, and they're using a truck-mounted seismic um, vibrator. That's what it is. It vibrates the ground with low frequencies. Okay, constant. That's what's caused it. Every single one of those earthquakes was caused by an earthquake machine. And so, and and this is the USGS document stating what's going on. Except, what they're not saying as well is all of those earthquakes have been created by that machine. Those people, an earthquake machine is what it is. And making earthquakes directly over the caldera caverns where there is active magma during all these fucking fires, and they're trying to do what? Cause an eruption, because that's exactly what's going to happen, because they've made the magma flow. They have filled those caverns with magma now. This is the truth, people. This isn't bullshit. Okay, not assuming it. It's not a conspiracy theory. And then you got Dave Hodges and others talking about this continuity of government that's been and activated in Utah. Okay, listen to what I'm about to tell you. Okay, I don't know about the continuity of government in Utah, because the president's still up running his mouth, and everybody else too, pretty much. But are they? Okay, all these people have been seen. Military aircraft, private jets flying into that airfield in that little town in Utah, where there is a confirmed underground bunker complex that's linked to other ones. Okay, this is the truth. Now, that's in Utah. Let me tell you what I just saw. Okay, about an hour ago, I looked at the flight tracker because a helicopter had flown over, and I just happened to pull it up. Okay, and little to my knowledge, let me tell you what I witnessed. There's a water waste treatment management facility less than 5 miles from here that treats the water for all these little areas, these little suburbs of Fort Worth. Okay, for miles. This one facility filters all the water for a good majority of all of these people, including our neighborhood here. Okay, I watched a helicopter fly from the Department of Defense, which is 10 minutes away, right up the street by Bell Helicopter. The Department of Defense. Okay, this helicopter was circling around this one portion of this water treatment facility, which is about probably a mile, 2 miles long. The pools that are there, I can't remember what they're called. The treatment pools, and a big silo that's out there that's open, collects rainwater or whatnot. I don't know exactly how all that works. Okay, I don't know everything. Well, so this helicopter, it showed two of them at first, but it's not. It was all over the screen, but it flew circles around this one spot of this treatment plant for 45 minutes straight. Well, during that time, this same helicopter changed its call sign to two other helicopters, one letter off. I'll show screenshots of this whole ordeal. Okay, every single one of all but one, they screwed up though, because it was not registered, not available, couldn't unlock, couldn't find it. It didn't show it, not registered, or registered, but could not identify it. Private owner, correct? Wrong. The second one, the call signs, and then it would disappear, and this other one would show up, but it never went out of the sky. Okay, came from the Department of Defense directly here, circled it for over 45 minutes. All right, It changed the call sign 3 times. One of the call signs on this registration of this helicopter, they're all registered to Bell Helicopter, but the one in between them was, guess what? Registered to Bank of Utah Trust. You hear what I'm telling you? Bank of Utah Trust. Then that one turned into a different one that was not available, and it circled around for another 15 minutes, and then flies to another building that I don't know what the hell it is yet. There's no label on this building. Big old white building out there down the road. I got to go check it out too. So I go out there. Mother-in-law got back to the car. I go out there. About this time, this helicopter's gone when I get there. All right, not there. There's one helicopter the whole time. Bank of Utah Trust. Okay, this bank controls all the money in and out of that state and other things. Okay, and this helicopter shot right back to its point of origin, which was in Dallas at an airfield at Spikes Airfield in Dallas. All right, I watched this thing land. Then next screenshot I got, it shows that all of this was happening 30 miles from here in Cleburne, around an airfield. Total bullshit. They manipulated the information on Flight Radar Tracker 24. They manipulated it. Got changed and went from right over by our house, the whole shebang, to some airfield in Cleburne. Okay, that's 45 miles from here. All right, I didn't do it. It did it. They did it. As soon as that helicopter disappeared at that airfield, Spikes Airfield. Oh look, and I shit you not. Here comes one of them right here. If they're not watching me, I kiss my ass. Looky there. There he is too. This is not police helicopter. Seeing this shit? There goes the helicopter right there. I guess somebody knew I was watching. That was not a police helicopter. That is a Department of Defense helicopter. Yes, sir. And now, however that works, that's unbelievable, really. Figured it would come. I figured there'd be more. Yes, but I'm going to put it up anyway, because this is bullshit. But you understand what I'm getting at? They changed it so much, the flight tracker radar, they changed the data. As soon as that helicopter that changed call signs 3 times in the air, okay, they're all registered one thing. You can't, you have to have 3 boxes to do that, right? Oh no, you don't. They have technology to do that shit. That's how CIA and other agencies get by with what they do in covert operations. Absolutely. They can be whoever the fuck they want, just like they did in Las Vegas. Yeah, I said that. Now, what the hell they're doing at that water treatment facility at this one spot, it's beyond me. Contaminating it, maybe? Looking at how they're going to contaminate it? We're in deep shit here. I'd almost stake my life that whatever they're doing out there, it wasn't for the better of anybody, or they wouldn't have been hiding that call sign. And this is from the Department of Defense, and whoever was on that chopper went right out to Spikes Airfield, got on that landing strip, and vanished without a trace. Right? This just happened. You understand? Just happened. And you'll see with your own eyes. I got screenshots of all of it. And then when I drove out, there was nothing there. But there was definitely some cops that didn't want to let me anywhere near there. Yep. So, or I guess they were cops. I'm not real sure. Now, we all know how this works. So, I figured whatever there's going to happen, they're going to do something in our water, just like in November, or last November, 1st November, whenever I had the pictures of the military, where? At that water treatment facility in Tennessee. You see what I'm telling you? And Bank of Utah Trust. Yep, don't think I was supposed to see that. So, the fact that all these people are... What the hell is that now? Yeah. I think I'm in trouble, guys. So we got the USGS trying to activate the caldera. Half the country, nobody knowing about, with a seismic machine. It's a weapon. Why would you cause earthquakes over the caldera that could cause the apocalypse? You know the reason. And why are they all going to this city in Utah? Why do I have a helicopter registered to the Bank of Utah Trust swarming around, changing call signs from the Department of Defense over our water treatment facility less than 5 miles from here? You tell me. Gotta go, guys. Pretty sure I got a fight coming my way real soon. Can't win. Can't win for losing. Here real soon, man. We're all gonna have to get together, whether we like it or not. Anybody that's willing to fight. Don't care where, don't care how we gotta do it. We're gonna have to do it. We're gonna have to do this shit. We're gonna have to make it real. Everything I've done has been for nothing if we don't. Everything y'all believe has been for nothing your whole lives if you don't. And I'm not just talking, man. I'm actually worried. I am worried. I have no fear as far as it goes. But if I hadn't seen that, what happened? So I will no longer be drinking any kind of water out of this, or any kind of water out of these faucets. Nope. No fucking way. And if you're in Texas, anywhere around here, I wouldn't either. I pay close attention. Get Flight Radar Tracker 24 and watch them helicopters over water treatment plants and hospitals. And if anybody's watching and don't like this shit, and you think you got the balls to come after me, or whatever it is you think you're gonna do, you better bring a fucking army. Because I have one waiting on you too. I'm not alone. You understand? I'm not alone. And I got a warrant from God. You know? They ain't gonna let me fall, or anyone else behind me. Believe that. Believe that. Go ahead and doubt if you want. I love you guys. Watch this video. Anybody knows anything? Anybody's got any intel? You can email me if you don't want to put yourself out there. But we need to find out what's going on immediately. I'll catch y'all on the flip side. I'm out of here. The other thing I want to tell y'all is, to put all this into perspective, this morning I get a email from Google Job Search, which I never applied to. Google Job sent me a link for, wait for it, United Nations employment positions in a number of states, set in different states across the United States. Not just the New York hub, not just for bullshit. They sent it to me today in my job search that I didn't sign up for United Nations jobs in the United States, in multiple states. You hear what I'm saying? This came to me this morning. Yeah. And that right there should tell you everything. That should tell you everything that I've been saying and everything that is coming, what is about to happen. Okay? This is the only warning you're going to get out of me anymore, because it blew me away. My whole turn of events this whole day has been unbelievable. All right? God told me I'd get answers today. A psychic told me in an email that I don't even know how I got. One of those people told me that I would get my answer. God would give me my answer today. Just what's been burdening me and bothering me for all this time. I'll be damned. Yeah, I got some answers today. So, it told me exactly everything is absolutely true. Absolutely. Everything. All of it. So, things are going to have to go a certain one route. You know, I say fight or die now more than anything I've ever met in my life. Man, take that to heart, because the bad guys are fully stocked, rock and rolling, locked and loaded, armed, stocked up, ready to go. And there's a lot of bad guys. And my God, man, I got answers today. And I wasn't even looking for that. I wasn't looking for any answers. Yeah. Putting it all in this video. The other thing I want to tell y'all is, put all this in perspective, this morning I get a email from Google Job Search, which I never applied to. Google Jobs sent me a link for, wait for it, United Nations employment positions in a number of states, sitting in different states across the United States. Not just the New York hub, not just for bullshit. They sent it to me today in my job search that I didn't sign up for United Nations jobs in the United States, in multiple states. You hear what I'm saying? This came to me this morning. Yeah. And that right there should tell you everything. That should tell you everything that I've been saying and everything that is coming, what is about to happen. Okay? This is the only warning you're going to get out of me anymore because it blew me away. My whole turn of events this whole day has been unbelievable. All right? God told me I'd get answers today. A psychic told me in an email that I don't even know how I got. One of those people told me that I would get my answer. God would give me my answer today. Just what's been burdening me and bothering me for all this time. I'll be damned. Yeah, I got some answers today. So it told me exactly everything is absolutely true. Absolutely. Everything. All of it. So things are going to have to go a certain one route. You know, I say fight or die. Now more than anything I've ever met in my life, man, take that to heart because bad guys, the bad guys are fully stocked, rocking and rolling, locked and loaded, armed, stocked up, ready to go. And there's a lot of bad guys. And my God, man, I got answers today. And I wasn't even looking for that. I wasn't looking for any answers. Yeah. Putting it all in this video.